Hey everybody, so I got a quick small little socket haul from Napa, couple Carlyle sockets, so please stick around, check out the video, and a little update. Thank you guys for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going today? So I picked up a couple small items, just 4 little sockets from Napa. These are all Carlyle sockets. While I was there, I also ordered a couple kits. You know, 14 piece, I think one 14 piece and one 13 piece socket set. These are all the exact same size. All of the 11 millimeters I have, whatever reason 11 millimeters are like 10s, they just randomly vanish. I did find some very old Hold 11 millimeters that I had, but they were either too long or too short. So I just went and picked up a couple different 11 millimeters, and then I got a couple metric kits, 1/4 inch and a 3/8 kit, chrome, Carlyle. I will do a separate video on them. I had to wait for them to come in. I just got them today. I figured I'd do these in separate videos because they're kind of short. So I got a 3/8 6-point 11 millimeter deep socket. It's this guy right here, which is part number Sam David 38011 Mary. Grabbed a 3/8 short socket, which is 6-point. Which is Sam 38011 Mary. So the deep is SD, the standard is S, and then the mid depth, which is what the kits on the next video are, they are Sam Mary David 380114 M as in Mary, and Sam Mary David 14013 Mary. And the difference is that the mid depth are SSMD, the deep are SD, and the standard is just S. So that's the differences. And then these are 11 millimeters as well, 6-point, but these two are in 1/4 inch. So Sam 14011 M as in Mary, and Sam David 14011 M as in Mary. And these are just 1/4 inch styles, just short and a deep. And the kits, which are these guys right here, are the mid depth. And I'll show those on a separate video. They're just sockets, you know, there's nothing special about them. I do have a lot of Carlyle sockets. Carlyle sockets work very well for what I need them for. And now, who knows, maybe down the road I will just grab the complete short kit in chrome and then get the complete deep kit in chrome in metric. That way we'll have all of these in short, all of them in mid, and all of them in deep. I don't use standard sockets very often, but when I do, I'll end up probably getting all these kits when I need those anyways. But just a quick little video. Picked up some sockets, 2 3/8 sockets, 2 1/4 sockets. They're all 11 millimeters. Appreciate you guys hanging out with me today. It's not like a huge video or anything like that. Just a couple items. Appreciate you guys hanging out with me. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. Hope the information helps. Let me guys know down in the comments if you guys have, you know, a specific brand of sockets that you like the most. I just grab whatever is convenient for me at the time. Appreciate you guys stopping by. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys on the next video.
Peace!